Now that my bubble drawing is complete, I'm ready to start painting. I'm going to take my brush, wiggle dance it at the bottom of my cup, make sure I cleaned it all right last class. And now before I do anything with my paint, I'm going to paint in one of my bubbles with just water. This is going to make my painting super cool when I start painting because the water is going to spread out. I don't want to paint too much, just enough for it to be shiny. Now I'm going to choose two primary colors. I'll start with yellow, wash it off, and red. So I start with my red, and see how it's starting to spread out because I'm doing that wet on wet. And now I wiggle dance it, and I get my yellow, and I overlap. Oh, and look, my little glimmer on my bubble appeared. And look, see, it is combining to create a orange. So I can have more red. You can tell where it was wetter, where it was less wet. Oh yeah, you see it's really shiny. And now I have this red, yellow, and orange, the orange analogous color family. Now I'm ready for my next one. I want to use another two colors. Maybe this time I'll do yellow and blue to make a green one. And I'm even going to wake up my blue ahead of time. I probably should have done that before. Washing off my brush. And I'm just going to paint my water on so it spreads out nice and cool like it did on the orange one. Painting it so it looks shiny, but not so it's dripping. Now I'm ready to start. I'll get some of my yellow, paint it in, add even a little more water to make it spread, and get some of my yellow. Oh look, my secret drawing is appearing. Wash off my brush and get some blue. And here you can see it combining to create that green. I'm just going until it's full up. I'm going to tie my line a little. That's okay. I'm not too upset. And then my final combination is going to be blue and red to create purple. So just like I did before, I paint in my bubble with the water, just enough to make it a little shiny, not enough to make it drippy. And now I'm ready to get my colors, so I'll start with some red. Paint that on nice and gentle. Oh look, I found my wax drawing. Add a little more red maybe before I get the blue. Now I clean my brush, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Get my blue. And overlap them. So you make this purple. It's like nice dark purple, almost an indigo. A little more blue. And there I have it. My orange color family bubble, my green color family bubble, my purple color family bubble. And now I can color my decorations. And for my decorations, I can choose to stay with only using the primary colors, or I can start using my secondary colors. Whoops, sorry about that. Grab some orange for my little fishy. Oh look, you can see those invisible scales appearing. Maybe this will be another orange fishy. Get some green for my little seaweed. And then maybe I'll grab some yellow. My little bubble, maybe add a little bit of blue to it. And then for this little bubble, maybe I'll have some blue. And add a little bit of purple to it. Did anyone see the mistake I just made? I forgot to wash my purple, but I think it'll be okay. And there I have it. I have finished each bubble and all of my decorations.